Hello, everybody. This is Miss Lena on on Thanksgiving Eve. I know it's not New Year's yet, so please forgive me. Uh, hello to all of my subscribers, all the new ones, and all the ones out there. Y'all are probably cooking tonight, just like I am. I'm going to make I'm going to make the homemade cornbread. Okay. So first, I'm going to make the homemade cornbread for my dressing. Okay, and I'll be putting it in a minute. But first of all, I'm just going to say, the Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He restores my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley in the shadow there, I shall fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff comfort me. All right, thank you. So this is getting ready to make my cornbread. I'm using 2 cups of milk, a cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and I also have like 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and this is flour. This is 2/3 cups of flour. So that's what I'll be putting in, and I have 6 eggs in the butter. Okay, and I've already had to melt the butter and the baking powder, so I'm using. Now, you can use whatever kind of baking powder, whatever you guys use, can find it. You can use it, okay? So now, I'm going to be pouring in. I got to beat up my eggs. All right. The eggs were kind of small, so I added an extra couple of eggs to this. And it's supposed to be like 4, but I have 6 in there. So now, this is what I have. Okay. So I'm getting ready to get started. And I'm going to pour I'm pouring the meal into into the bowl. Okay. Also, my flour.
And it's 2/3 cups, and our meal was 2 cups.
That's right. And my baking powder. This is it's either 2 tablespoonful or 4 teaspoonful. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of blend it in before I put the wet ingredients in. Okay. Now I'm going to pour my eggs in all at one time. All right. And I'll be pouring the butter. You can, if you don't want to use butter, you can also use shortening or whatever kind of oil you use. But most time I use butter in mine. So now I'm going to be putting in my milk. I'm pouring everything in at once. Now, I have to stand. Okay, I'm pouring my cornbread in.
Okay, she'll be back once it's done.
Okay, this is the cornbread that I made for my cornbread dressing. So the pan has come out, and I will be making the dressing with it in the morning. Not today, but I want you to see the cornbread, how it came out. And this is a double. It's really a double amount of cornbread. It's this is the double amount. So that I put it on there. So you'll see when I put it in there to make my dressing tomorrow. I just want you to see it now. So thank you so much for watching. Okay. Everybody, listen and listen carefully. This is Miss Lena, and I will be on a live show in the morning about 7:30. So tune up, tune in, and you can see me make my dressing. And I'll have my turkey already prepared.
And that's 7 Central Time, 7:30 Central Time, y'all.
Okay. Thank you so much with all my love for Miss Lena's Kitchen. Good night, all. Don't you all cook too long, because you won't be able to get up in the morning. Bye-bye.